Hello, everybody. Want to share with you a little bit about PTSD symptoms for those of us that went through the storm or went through the flood through Tropical Storm Amelia. Uh, a lot of us are experiencing symptoms. Those that were in the flood and those that were without those that weren't in the flood. PTSD symptoms are real after any natural disaster, following any forest hurricanes, floods, tornadoes, fires, tsunamis, and any type of natural disaster. If you experienced a loss or became close to losing everything, this is a very common emotion following a storm or any natural disaster, period. We are those for those of us that went through Tropical Storm Amelia down there in Southeast Texas. We're all still feeling the effects of this could last. These feelings could last for years. But like I try to tell people, seek professional help with G or any type of close friend or during these times. These will be some of the hardest times for is it's common. I'm experiencing I've told people islands of anxiety, sadness, loneliness. Some symptoms will include withdrawal symptoms. These symptoms are real following a natural disaster or flood, tornado, hurricane, or whatever the case may be. You guys that's experiencing these symptoms, talk to someone immediately. Someone you can trust and just or you're dealing with at that particular time. We are all experiencing some type of loss and some type of thing going through all of this. This is for us people mental health. Going through something like this for a second time was a lot for most can bear. This is a very this is couldn't this even it's the days following the disaster where you really start to feel it, but it's after it's all over with and you see the devastation and what you've lost, and all these different emotions will start coming up in you. We need to recognize these symptoms and know. So so these symptoms are real, guys. So love you all. Be blessed and take care of each other. Pray for each other, and let's be there for each other.